The Jaguar E Type is one of the most iconic cars in automotive history. Launched in 1961, it was a masterpiece of design and engineering. Today, we're diving deep into why this car is so special. Designed by Sir William Lyons and Malcolm Sayer, the E-Type's beauty is legendary. With its flowing lines, curvaceous body, and aerodynamic shape, it was unlike anything on the road at the time. Under the hood was a 3.8-liter straight-six engine, delivering 265 horsepower and a top speed of 150 miles per hour. This made the E-Type not only beautiful but also incredibly fast for its time. Even Enzo Ferrari himself called the E-Type the most beautiful car ever made. It's a car that's admired not just by enthusiasts but by the greatest minds in automotive history. The E-Type wasn't just for show, it handled like a dream. Its lightweight body, independent suspension, and precise steering made it a joy to drive on open roads. Even today, it's praised for its timeless performance. The Jaguar E-Type remains one of the most sought-after classics. Its beauty, performance, and history make it a dream for collectors worldwide. Owning one is like owning a piece of art.